Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm gonna show you how to mute and unmute someone's Instagram story. So first of all, open Instagram apps, select a story, like tap onto three dot at the bottom right corner, click on mute. Okay, now done. Okay, now successfully add mute, and now I'm showing how to unmute. Click onto profile, tap onto three line at the bottom right corner, settings and privacy, and go to your mute option, and here you can easily unmute here. Okay, now done. So that's how you can easily mute and unmute someone Instagram story.